Welcome to the session of application of Heron's formula in finding areas of quadrilaterals. Actually, area of a quadrilateral whose sides and one diagonal are given can be calculated by dividing the quadrilateral into two triangles and using the Heron's formula. That is very simple to calculate the area of a quadrilateral. Actually, we need to divide the quadrilateral in triangular parts and then use the formula for area of the triangle. Actually, in exercise 12.2, first problem, a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C 90 degree, AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 12 meter, CD equal to 5 meter and AD equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? This is our question. ABCD is a quadrilateral, that is also given. AB, BC, CD, DA values are also given. And another one clue is given, that is angle C is equal to 90 degree. So easily we have to calculate the BD value using Pythagoras formula. So we calculate the BD value now. We divide the quadrilateral into two triangles now. So that is the first triangle is ABD. The second triangle is BCD. Then sum of the area of the two triangles is actually a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. First write the given. Let ABCD be the quadrilateral park. Okay, that is given. Another one, join BD. So now look, triangle BCD, this one BCD is a right angled triangle. So here we use Pythagoras formula. Easily we have to calculate the BD value using Pythagoras formula. In triangle BCD, actually angle C is 90 degree, so opposite of right angle is hypotenuse. So what is Pythagoras theorem statement? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square. So what is the BC value given? That is 12. 12 square plus 5 square. So what is the 12 square value? 144 plus 25, that is 169. So BD square equal to 169. So taking square root on both sides, BD equal to 13 meter. Area of triangle BCD is equal to half into base into height. So half into what is the base value? That is 5. Height is 12. So cancel these two values. 5 into 6, 30 meter square. So area of triangle BCD is 30 meter square. Next we calculate the area of triangle ABD. We just look at the triangle ABD. We know that AB value is given 9 meter. Just now we found one value, that is BD is equal to 13 meter. Another one, AD equal to 8 meter. So using this value, first we calculate the semi-perimeter value. What is the semi-perimeter formula? That is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what is our A value? 9 plus 13 plus 8 divided by 2. So what is the value? Just add the value. The value is 30 by 2, that is 15. So S is equal to 15 meter. Next we calculate the area of a triangle ABD using Heron's formula. So using Heron's formula, area of triangle ABD is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is our S value? That is 15. 15 into 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 13 into 15 minus 8. Subtract the values. 15 into 15 minus 9, 6. 15 minus 13, 2. 15 minus 8, that is 7. Now we just multiply the value. We get a square root of 1260. Taking the square root of 1260, the value is actually 35.5 meter square. we don't know the exact value, no, we just write that is approximately. So the area of a triangle ABD is 35.5 meters square, but we need area of a quadrilateral, no. So area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to, add the two triangle area. So area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle, the next one is ABD. So what is the value? That is 30 plus 35.5 is equal to 65.5 meters square. That's all. Second problem, find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equal to 3 cm, BC equal to 4 cm, CD equal to 4 cm and DA equal to 5 cm and AC equal to 5 cm. We have to calculate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD. AB, BC, CD, DA and the diagonal AC value are also given. You just look at the figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABC is look like a right angle triangle only. You check the value. 5 square is actually 25. 4 square plus 3 square is equal to also 25. So this is a this is a right angle triangle, no. So we apply the values, check the value. In triangle ABC, actually AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC value is 5. 5 square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. What is the value? 5 square is actually 25 equal to 9 plus 16. 25 is equal to 25. So this is actually right angle triangle. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, what is the formula? Half into base into height. Here half into, what is the base value? That is AB. Height is actually BC. So apply the value, half into 3 into 4. Cancel the values. So 3 into 2, 6 centimeters square. So area of triangle ABC is 6 centimeters square. Next we calculate the area of triangle ACD, this triangle value. So area of triangle ACD, actually what is the value? AC 5, AD 5 and DC 4 centimeter. So write the value. AC equal to 5 centimeter, AD equal to 5 centimeter and CD equal to 4 centimeter. Here first we calculate the semi-perimeter. What is the formula for find out the semi-perimeter? S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 5 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2. So 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So S is equal to 7 centimeter. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle ACD is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So apply the values. What is our S value? That is 7. So 7 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4. So what is the value? 7 into 7 minus 5 is actually 2 into 2 into 3. So the value is actually 2 root 21. Find out the square root value of 21, that is 2 into 4.583. Multiply these two values, actually that is 9.166 centimeter square. We have to write this value 9.2 centimeter square approximately. Okay, but we need a quadrilateral value, no. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Add the values, that is actually 2 into that is first one is actually 9.2 and the second one is 6. So add the value 15.2 centimeter square. That's all. Next problem. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. Find the total area of the paper used. One figure is given. Actually, Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. No. The first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, fifth one. Some values are also mentioned. That is 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. Another one is side is actually 1 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. These details are given. Actually, the middle one is a rectangle shape, and the base is actually trapezium shape, and the sides are also triangle shape only. This is actually one aeroplane. One girl made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. We calculate the total area of the figure only. So first we calculate the first part. Okay. Actually, the first part is look like one isosceles triangle. So we use the value. Here 5 centimeter is mentioned. Here also we have to take 5 centimeter. Another one, the base value actually 1. So we have to take that is 1. Okay. This is actually isosceles triangle. Given A is equal to B is equal to 5 centimeter and C is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. We just use the Heron's formula, find out the area of this triangle. So semi-perimeter, how can we find out the semi-perimeter value? S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 by 2. That is actually 5.5 centimeter. This is our S value. Next, using Heron's formula, we calculate the area of a triangle. Using Heron's formula, area of a triangle is equal to, what is the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So apply the value, 5.5 into 5.5 minus 5. 5.5 minus 5 into 5.5 minus 1. So we just use the value. 5.5 is our first value. 5.5 minus 5 is actually 0.5. Another one also 0.5. Another one 5.5 minus 1 is actually 4.5. Here we have 2.5 no. So taking out of the square root now, that is 0.5 only. How can we write the 0.5? That is we have to mention that is 0.5 first. Then we have to change the value. Square root of this is actually 55 by 10 into another one is 45 by 10. For our comfortable only, we have to use this word by 10 by 10. Another one is 0.5 by 10. Take the value 10 value out of the square root. So 0.5 by 10 into split the value 55, 5 into 11. Another one 45 no. So 5 into 3 into 3 because 5 nines are 45. Now taking the value from the square root, actually already we have 0.5 by 10. Now we take the value 5 into 3 divided by 10. So square root of 11 only we are having balanced value. Now multiply the value. Actually that is 5 ones are 5 twos are. Again cancel the value, 2 ones are 2 1.5s are. So multiply the value. Actually the value is 0.75 into 3.317. Square root of 11 is 3.317. Multiply the value. The answer is actually 2.488 centimeter square. We have to write 2.5 also. Okay. Next we have to calculate the second part. Actually second part is the rectangle. What is the formula for area of a rectangle? That is L into B square units. No. So what is our L value? L value is actually given, that is 6.5 into B value is 1. So the answer is 6.5 centimeter square. So second part answer over. The next one is third part. Look like the third part, actually the base part of the aeroplane, that is actually trapezium shape. So you just take the figures separately. ABCD is a trapezium. CD value is 1 centimeter and the AB value is 2 centimeter. BC and AD also 1 centimeter. You just join this DF value and DE value. Now you look at the figure. The value DF is parallel to CB. Another one, this line DE is perpendicular to AB. You just look at the figure. This DF is parallel to CB and DE is perpendicular to AB. Just mention it and draw, that is DF is parallel to CB. Another one, the line DE is perpendicular to AB. Okay. Next one, CB is actually, this line CB is parallel to DF also, no. CB is parallel to DF and the line DC is parallel to BF. This line DC is parallel to BF. Now you just imagine this figure is actually a parallelogram. BCDF is a parallelogram. So we write the value BC equal to CD equal to DF equal to BF equal to 1 centimeter. Next we have to calculate the AF value. How can we calculate the AF value? AF is equal to AB minus BF. What is our AB value? That is 2. And the BF value is 1. So we get the AF value also 1 centimeter. So in triangle ADF, AD equal to DF equal to AF equal to 1 centimeter only. So all the three sides are equal. Now triangle ADF is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle means what is the formula for area of a triangle? Area of a triangle ADF is equal to, the formula is root 3 by 4, that is a side square. We have to mention A means root 3 by 4 A square. So what is the, how can we find the side value? Actually area of a triangle root 3 by 4 A square also we have to mention. That is actually half into base into height, a normal formula. So area of triangle ADF is equal to half into base into height. Now you just equate these two value. We know that is root 3 by 4 A square is the formula for find out the area of an equilateral triangle. Here ADF triangle only we have to take. The base value is actually AF and the height value is actually DE. So mention it. Half into the base value is 1. We don't know the height value DE. So root 3 by 4 into 1 square is equal to half into 1 into DE. So what is our DE value actually? DE is equal to root 3 by 2. What is the root 3 value? 1.732, no. So apply the value 1.732 by 2. So what is the answer actually? 0.866 centimeter. This value we have to write 0.9 centimeter. Third part, area of trapezium ABCD. What is the formula for find out the area of a trapezium? Half into H into A plus B. So we just mentioned the height is DE and the sides are AB plus CD. So apply the values. Half into AB value is 2 plus CD value is 1. Then DE value just now we calculated, that is 0.9. So apply the value 1 by 2 into 3 into 0.9. So the answer is actually 1.4 centimeter square. Okay, this is the value for area of a trapezium. Next we have to calculate the fourth and fifth part of the aeroplane. Okay, that is actually look like triangle, area of a right angle triangle, no. So area of triangle, the fourth part is equal to half into base into height. So what is the base value actually? That is 6 and the height value is 1.5. So cancel this value. So the answer is actually 4.5 centimeter square. So fourth part is 4.5 means fifth part also 4.5 centimeter square. Finally we have to take the total area. Total area of the paper used is equal to, actually first part plus second part plus third part plus fourth part plus fifth part. What is the first part value? That is 2.5 and the second part value is 6.5 Third part value is 1.4. Fourth and fifth part also same. That is 4.5, 4.5. So add all the values. The answer is actually 19.4 centimeters square. So total area of the paper used is 19.4 centimeters square. That's all.